Hello friends, today we will see how we can enable the slow motion option in the camera of an Samsung Galaxy M33 phone, Android phone. This phone comes with a feature, the camera has a feature to take slow motions while you are capturing videos. So here I will show you how we can take a slow motion video using the Samsung Galaxy M33 Android phone. First you need to open your camera by clicking on the camera icon. Here you can see on the top right, click on that. Okay, the camera is now open. Okay, here you can see some options like fun, portrait, photo, video, more. Click on the more link. Okay, so here you can see 6 buttons: pro, single take, night, foot, panorama, macro, super, slow motion, hyperlapse. So if you want to take normal slow motion, you can click on the slow motion button, or if you want to take some advanced slow motion videos, you can click on the super slow add the slow motion button. So that's it. Just based on your choice, you can select any of this button and take slow motion videos from your Samsung M33 Galaxy Android phone. Okay.